in question 8, we have to solve the equation 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So we have variable terms on both sides and we also have constant terms on both sides. So let's start by combining the constant terms. So we have this plus 1 on the left hand side. Let's transpose it to the right hand side. Okay, so this will leave us with 2x by 3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 7x by 15 plus 3, and then the plus 1 that we have transposed from the left hand side will become minus 1. So we will get 2x by 3 is equal to 7x by 15, and then 3 minus 1 will be plus 2. Okay, now we need to combine the variable terms. We have 2x plus 3 on the left hand side, and we have 2x by 3 on the left hand side and 7x by 15 on the right hand side. So let's take this 7x by 15 and transpose it to the left side. So we will get 2x by 3, and the transposed term will be minus 7x by 15 because it was plus 7x by 15 on the right hand side, and then we will have 2 on the RHS. Now we need to combine these two terms. So for that we can take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 15. So that's the LCM will be 15, and then for this 2x this will become 10x, and we will have minus 7x, and this is equal to 2. Now 10x minus 7x is 3x, so we will get 3x by 15 is equal to 2 on the right hand side, and 15 divided by 3 is 5, so we will get x by 5 is equal to 2. And finally what we can do is, to find the value of x, we can take this 5 and cross multiply it into the numerator on the right hand side, and this will give us x is equal to 5 into 2, or x is equal to 10. So the solution we get for the equation is x is equal to 10, and now we need to check whether this solution is correct or not by substituting it into the original equation. So in the original equation we have 2x by 3 plus 1 on the left hand side. So 2 times 10 by 3 plus 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 7x by 15. So 7 times 10 by 15 and plus 3. Now we need to see whether these sides are equal or not. So 2 times 10 is 20, so we get 20 by 3 plus 1, and on the right side we have 7 into 10 by 15. Let's reduce 10 by 15 to the lowest form. 10 by 5 is 2 and 15 by 5 is 3. So we get 7 into 2, that's 14 by 3 and plus 3. Alright, now we have 20 by 3 plus 1, so this will be 23 by 3, and on the right hand side we will have 14 by 3 plus 3. So we multiply 3 and 3 to get 14 plus 9, or 23 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So we get 23 by 3 on both sides, and hence the solution x is equal to 10. It checks out. It is the correct solution, and this completes question number 8.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.